Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so we will provide all the answers accordingly. The contact number is 900 936 8238. We have prepared all the answers according to the word limits and according to the chapters. If you need this, contact us today so we will provide accordingly. Here the question number 1B is: name any one source of running water found in your area. How it is significant for your community. Give any two reasons. So this is taken from the lesson 4, and the word limit is 40 to 60. And if you need the answer of all the subjects, you can contact us so we will provide on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.